Nice little opening here. You're occasionally hearing Mom, my kids with my dad, my husband. We just wanted to do a little exploring while I'm here when there's no tents around. Nice little daisies here. I'm just doing a whole bunch of shorts for now. I don't have time to do full out videos this time. Just doing a quick walk around while I can. And if you're hearing buzzing, those are deer flies. We got lots of deer flies here around June. So I'm going to stop this one here. I'll see you in the next one.